had a thought yesterday. And my thought is, if I wanted to have the most successful year that I've ever had, the most productive, then what could I do? So today I am officially 37, and I feel like the older I get, the more I want to accomplish. So day by day, one step at a time, then I thought it might be an interesting idea to see how much I could actually get done in a year if I put myself out there to hold myself accountable, because that's when I've always had the best success, and see what can happen. So here we are, ground zero, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to start, and I am going to take you along with me. And 1 year from now, when I turn 38, oh my God, let's see what can happen over the course of a year. So one thing that we're going to get going again in this year, and hopefully make it a productive one, would be to be cooking more delicious meals at home. And yes, so we do the every meal, but that has kind of repetitive meals on there, and I haven't gotten it for a while because we've just kind of been eating whatever at home, kind of like picking at things. But we're going to start the year off right, and I'm going to do this pot roast, just like a traditional slow cooker pot roast from the website Cooking Classy. And I will link the recipe down below in case you want to check it out. Here it is, prepped in the crock pot and ready to go. I seared the roast on all sides, so it's going to have like a nice caramely texture to the outside, and really excited for this. So this is going to be dinner, and I am hoping that we're going to have a lot of these meals for the whole year, and then I will share all of them with you. I think this is kind of what throws me off sometimes too, is that I make these long to-do lists on a daily basis, or at least especially the days that I'm home from work, and then I wind up putting too many things on there and don't finish it, and then feel like I failed for the whole day. So rather than do that this year, I'm going to focus basically on one thing, one main thing that I want to get accomplished for the day. And like today, that would be, I really need to clean because our house looks like a bomb went off in it because we haven't been home, and it's just been really hectic last 2 weeks. So yeah, so I think this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to be using these little notepads to write long lists of things that I want to get done from now on, and I'm just going to kind of plan as I go along, and then we'll see how that works. So today's main goal is to get the cleaning done and get caught up with that.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Just do what you want with me. to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody.
So after all that cleaning, I took a little break for lunch, had some hummus that was made by a coworker of mine for my birthday, and then watched The Ripper on Netflix, helped Dominic with some of his schoolwork, took a nap because I love my naps and I felt like it was definitely needed today, and then I took a bath as soon as I woke up from my nap. And then Frankie came home and surprised me with these beautiful flowers and some of my favorite candies. Those Cadbury eggs and Reese's are the best. I decided to light my favorite candle because I love the scent, and that's the Bath & Body Works, the Champagne Toast. And for a side, this Taylor Farms sweet kale chopped salad has broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kale, chicory with dried cranberries, roasted pumpkin seeds, and poppy seed dressing from Costco. This is a big bag, so this will be a couple salads for us.
You should get Frankie a new fridge for his birthday.
So there's what the roast looks like. This was
The
not the
TV
right
on.
roast, so it's a little tougher than what it was supposed to be. There's the salad kit. The salad's really good. And this is leftover pasta salad that my mom made for my birthday. So I wanted to watch The Wedding Singer tonight, so we decided to do that as a family, and we laughed a lot because Adam Sandler is hilarious. And then we ended the night with a delicious piece of this chocolate raspberry cake my mom got me for my birthday.
To roll night or day, I'm taking you all the way, 'cause my heart screams, let me carry you.
It's all clean. So to sum it up, the plan is to put as many of these up as I possibly can and show you what I have accomplished during the day to keep myself motivated and to hopefully also motivate you. Thanks for watching. I hope I see you guys in the next one.